Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this makeup look using all products which are below rupees 200, and this is an ideal office party or a college function kind of look which you can create very easily also, and will look very quite subtle in office or in college. So we'll start with the Garnier White Complete Speed White Fairness Cream. I really like this moisturizer, not much fairness or anything, but it really suits my skin well. So I have just applied it as dots on my face, and then I am just blending it in. Once that is done, I'm going to use this Pond's White BB cream, and out of all the BB creams available below 200, I think this one suits me really well and has a nice coverage. I will not say full coverage, but it gives a nice coverage to me. So I generally prefer this BB cream over any other available, like from Garnier or from Maybelline. I really like the Pond's one. So I have just applied it as dots on my face, and I'm just blending it in. You can use your hands also. So once it is all blended, now we'll go into compact. So for compact, I'm going to use this Lakme Perfect Radiance in the shade Beige Honey 05, and I really like this compact because it is very affordable also, and it does the desired job which compact is supposed to do. So I just really like it. Now we'll move on to eye makeup. So before starting my eye makeup, I'm just gonna prime my eyelids again with Pond's BB Plus cream. And I'm gonna set it with the same compact Lakme one. For the eyes, I'm going to use this Miss Claire Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil 02 Dark Brown, and I bought it from a store for around 50 rupees. So online, I will leave the link to these products in the description box, but I'm not sure whether you're going to get this product or not. So try and look for this product in some local store. And for the eyes, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven Cosmetics eyeshadow Quadrate number 605, that is its applicator, and I'm going to use the top brown shade, and I'm going to put it in my crease. This is a very beautiful and pigmented eyeshadow which really showed up well on my eyes. So I was quite impressed with this quadrant. I was using this quadrant for the very first time, and I really like the color payoff. So I've applied it on my crease, and I'm using that pink shade to apply it over my eyelid. It is quite a frosty pink, and I really like the pigmentation of this shade also. And I find that these two shades out of this quadrant are quite subtle and ideal for daily use or just in a formal function. So I've applied it on all my eyelid, as you can see. Once that is done, I'm going to use this Lakme Iconic Kajal and apply it into my waterline. I'm again going to use that same brown kind of a shade from the quadrant and apply it on my lower lash line. Once that is done, now we'll move on to mascara and eyeliner. For that, I'm using this Blue Heaven 2-in-1 mascara eyeliner. So first we'll go with the eyeliner part, and I'm going to apply the liner on my eyes. I went on for a very thin liner, very close to my lash line. Once the liner is done, we will go to the mascara part of the same 2-in-1 product, and that is the wand of this mascara. This is quite thicker wand, so I'm going to apply the mascara. I'm just gonna powder my lower eyelids, area below my eyes, so that it gets really oily over there. So I'm just applying the compact once again and clearing any fallouts if so. And then I'm going to use this Huda Beauty liquid matte. This is a dupe of Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Flirt, and it's quite a rusty red kind of a shade, which is good for a day event. So I have applied it on my lips, and this is a dupe. This is not an original product, and I've bought it from Flipkart, so I'll leave the link down below, you can check. And then again, I'm going to use this blush from Blue Heaven only, and its number is 506 Diamond Blush On, and it is heavily pigmented, guys, so please go very in a controlled manner with this blush. It is highly pigmented, and this is the whole look, guys. And if you like it, please like this video, and I'll see you in my next